Hello everyone, my name is Yoav Waxman and I'm a professor of economics at Coastal Carolina University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take attendance using Zoom. And you're going to begin at the CSU administrative page for Zoom, which is csuchance.zoom.us. And you're going to do sign in, which is at the bottom of the page. So let's sign in. If you haven't signed in for a while, you may be asked to use your username and CSU password. And when you're signing in, you're going to have several options, including changing your profile, going to meetings, looking at previous webinar, looking at recording you've made, changing the setting, looking at the account profile, and looking at reports where your attendance report is going to be located. But before the meeting, you want to change one thing about the setting. So let's click the setting. And after we click the setting, we're going to go to in-meeting basic. And what we want to make sure is that students are not able to rename themselves during the meeting. By default, individuals are able to change their name so they can use their favorite nickname. However, if you take an attendance, you want to make sure that at the report, you see the student official name. So what you want to do is you want to uncheck this option. Now you're going to have your class meeting. And after the class meeting, you can go over to reports and see who attended. So let's try that out. I'm going to go back. I'm going to look at reports, which are right here at the bottom. On the reports, I have two options, usage and meetings, and I'm going to click on usage. And then I'm going to see all the previous meetings that I've had. So I'm going to select this meeting, which we had for our summer school, up here at the top. And I'm going to move to the right and click on that number, which is the number of attendees. Just to make sure everyone can see it, that number is right over here, 17. I'm going to click on that number, and I'm going to get a report look just like this. And I can go up and down and see who attended the meeting. But what I'm really looking for is that button right here at the top that says export. I'm going to click that button and I'm going to get a CSV file, which is similar to an Excel file. I'm going to open that file. And when I open that file, I'm going to see the name of all the people who attended the meeting, their email, if it's available, the time they joined, and the time they left the meeting. Now, sometimes people get accidentally dropped from the meeting. So if you see somebody who came and left after a couple of minutes, maybe they were dropped by accident and they may have logged later on. So a good practice is to highlight this and sort this by the student's last name. And now, for example, I can see that Abhishek was there for 1 minute, probably got dropped out by accident, and then came back later on. So he did attend the entire class, as you can see right over here. So that's all you need to do to create an attendance report. You can now save it as an Excel spreadsheet, and you can go back to later on and see who attended the meeting and for how long they were there. If you have any questions, please email me those questions at yoav@coastal.edu.